Well, when it comes to Masonite, that's something that's a very inexpensive material, and I understand fit in the budget, but the problem with Masonite is if you don't maintain it, it swells up like that. This is a Hardie board band they put on to cover over the rotted area. Unfortunately, that's exactly where the ridge beam is, which carries all the floor joists and keeps this house tight. So this is only band-aiding the situation. If you look, this is what happens. It ends up rotting out the floor, which will soak back. And then the 2x6, if you look down in here, has rotted out too. So it's that way all the way. So you need to maintain, maybe every year, Masonite. If you have a Masonite home, you might consider doing vinyl siding so you don't have to maintain as much. You still have to maintain everything that requires maintenance. So keep that in mind when it comes to Masonite home.